Morning guys, just woke up, starting the vlog again. Not gonna be taking my car today. Gonna be driving the daily. I haven't really drove the daily in a very long time, but today I have to. I'm gonna avoid driving the car because it needs an oil change, but I'm gonna give it an oil change today. And also, we got some parts in the back. The Josie exhaust. We're gonna be installing the Josie exhaust on Dylan's car later in the afternoon. Raining like hell, so I haven't been able to make some really good videos. I've been trying to do some videos of the ISF, but weather forbids it. So now we're gonna head to Walmart, pick up some oil for this car, and head to work and then get that knocked out real quick. Car runs a little rough too. Hasn't been really started in like a week. You already know, boy. Alright guys, so we're working on a car today. I have a BMW 2 Series. It's a window tint. We're going to be doing 20% all around, and we're going to be doing a 55% on the windshield. This is what I usually do for most customers that I request it. It'll keep the car coolest and it looks really like even all around. I hate when they have to do like the dark color on the back and then a legal limit on the front. It looks really stupid. So we're gonna get started on this today. Usually how my day works, you know, I try to get some side work in, and then I do some cars for the store or the job that I'm at, and then I usually get home. But also today we gotta do an oil change on the Scion, and we have to put on Dylan's Josie exhaust system, so you'll see that a little later today. So, but for the time being, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this car and get knocked out. All right guys, we just finished tinting it. 20% all around, looking really nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and tint the front windshield. All right guys, we just finished the front windshield. It looks fantastic. You can see right there, 55%. Still see through it. Doesn't look illegal. Checking to see how clean that is. Using some high quality Super Tech oil filters. Hand tight. Change the oil every 3,000 miles, especially on an older car like this. The ISF, I change it every 5,000. I'm not sure if it's like most Toyotas these days, where if it's synthetic motor or 0-20, you have to change it every 10,000 miles. But for the ISF, I do change it every 5,000 miles. So that's gonna be the next thing, because I know all my cars need an oil change. All right, Dylan just got here. We're gonna be actually putting the exhaust on his ISF. But before we do that, I wanna go ahead and make like an exhaust clip, just to show you guys what it sounds like before and after. He currently has a stock exhaust on, but we spaced out the axle back. We spaced out the axle back so that it has like a little exhaust leak, and it sounds a little throatier, but it's time to actually take off the stock system and do a full exhaust system. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. It sounds pretty throaty and clean, but we're gonna make it sound a little bit louder. I'm hoping the Josie is loud. I know my friend Sheldon, when he had the ISF, he ran the Josie, he took the mufflers off because it was too quiet and it was like super straight pipe. So we're gonna get this car on the lift and let's get started. Alright, so after an agonizing 15-20 minutes, we got it out. This is a stock exhaust system. It's super heavy. So there you have it. The Josie exhaust installed. Sounds really throaty. It's cleaner. It doesn't sound garbage anymore like what we had before. Actually, I liked it the way before, but now this is like double the enhancement in terms of the sound. Inside the car sounds really nice too. Alright, we just left work, so we're gonna try to do some pulls on the highway so you can hear the exhaust. I have my windows down. This might be hard to hear, but hopefully this car doesn't sound amazing. It sounds amazing already inside the shop, so I'm gonna try to get some footage for you guys.